Hey traders, this is Ron. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. As always, everything in this presentation is for educational purposes only. There was no video last night because the market's not doing a whole lot. Even with today's up move in the Qs, which is almost about 1%, we're still range bound, support down here, resistance up here. We're in the upper end of this range, but again, still no change. If we take a look at the diamonds, the Dow ETF, we can see similar thing, just basically going sideways. We then go to the SPY on the daily chart, up a little bit today, upper end of the range, but we're still not at new highs. We're above moving averages. Remember the 20-day EMA is in red, the 50-day SMA is in orange. We're above both of those. And daily charts are bullish, but not a whole lot going on. Now that all changes if we start looking at some other stocks. Now Texas Instruments was a stock that did move huge 2 days ago. If I zoom in here, look at this huge gap down, right? Today we had an inside day. Sort of another high wave doji, if you will. If I zoom back out on Texas Instruments, this major support area is down there around 105, just to use a big fat round number. It's still 13 bucks or 10% lower. If Texas Instruments can close above the intraday high from the gap down, which the high is showing as 121.62, then the gap fill would be the target, if it can even get above the 50-day. But right now, direction is down, it's going sideways. I would just wait for a break of the body of yesterday's candle. And that happens, up here is the target, or down there, down towards 105, is the target. If we take a look at Intel, let's type in ticker symbol INTC. Let me just pop this panel out because if I type in Intel, you can see it's up about 2 bucks. At 54.30, is going to be right here. If the stock opens up there on Friday, we're going to be taking out this arguable triple top, right? And we're into the gap. That means a gap fill up towards 58 will be the target. So Intel's sitting pretty nice. If we look at eBay next, a gap down on earnings, we're at this support area and we are clinging to this upper 35 and change. I would say we just need to get to about, still 35, but we could round it off to 35 bucks. We get the 35 bucks on eBay down to where the gap up occurred, and then the gap fill all the way down at $31. If we take a look at Twitter, look what they did. Massive gap, 20% loss, took out the previous lows. Now we're almost at support at 30, and then we come back down to the December lows around 26. And then if we go Amazon, now they were up 18 bucks. If we go here and type in Amazon, we can see they're trading at 1660 as I do this video, which is around 9:45 p.m. Eastern. Well, 1660, right about there. We've taken out, if the stock opens there, we've taken out the May low here, the 1660 is right about there, and the most recent low from earlier this month. Their shelf supported 15, it's a couple bucks either way, 15.95. We could round it down and say, hey, if we get below 15, even 85, then the December lows would be the target. So there's definitely some stocks on the move, but overall, just going back to the S&P, and we'll leave it there. We'll keep tonight's video short and sweet. We're range bound. Bulls have the edge walking into Friday. On the weekend, I will send out a video. We'll update the daily and weekly charts. So that's it. Not a whole lot going on. Some individual stocks popping and dropping. Again, if they're dropping, what about protected puts? In the case of Twitter, the case of Amazon, the case of eBay, Texas Instruments, they would have saved a lot of potential bacon. All right, wish you all the best. I'll see you in the next video.